general insect level. By the way, there was a whole thing in like, I don't know, was it Devonian? Basically, when the Earth was flooded with oxygen, like too much oxygen, like we wouldn't even survive. There was too much oxygen. That's when fucking you see all those fossils of like those fucking like dragonflies that are this fucking big. Like insects were huge at one point, and it's because they actually don't have lungs. They don't have anything that actually breathes. It's sort of a natural, general flow chemical process of oxygenation. So, when there was an abundance of oxygen in the atmosphere, insects were allowed to get fucking huge.
Wait, there were huge insects?
Oh yeah.
When was that?
Many millions of years ago, pre-dinosaur-ish,
Okay.
like hundreds of millions of years ago. It happened like this. It happened like this. Life in the ocean. Okay, that's where it was. It was a big, giant boom. And then plants started like, hey, there's real estate up here. So there were plants up out of the water, fucking, using the abundant energy that was capable. Oh, photosynthesis. Hey, we can do this on land. The Earth was fucking covered in a rainforesty soil. Like, and it was just plants. It was just plants. And then there, of course, like something came out of the water and said, hey, there's an abundance of like bioenergy, like consumable energy, parasitic, I can be a parasite, I can eat these things. And then stuff started coming out of the water and eating plants and stuff like that. But in that time, there were so many fucking plants doing the carbon monoxide exchange where the percentage of atmosphere that was oxygen was fucking off the charts. Like,
Really?
yeah. Like there was so much oxygen in the atmosphere that it was like 3 or 4 times the amount that there is right now. As a result, the insect class was allowed, using that as the chemical process of an engine, they were allowed to get a lot larger because insects, again, they don't have lungs. Insects don't breathe. They need oxygen. They will in fact asphyxiate if they don't have it. But they don't breathe. It's like a passive process of getting oxygen. And the key is the abundance of oxygen. Like the reason that insects are small now is because we have more nitrogen in the air, less oxygen, and so they can't be that size and actually run at that level. Like it just doesn't work.
Right. And
But
they're
they're-
exoskeleton or something too, right? Or,
They're exoskeletal, but
that's better though, right?
it depends on what you're doing. It always depends on what you're doing. It's never better. Evolution is not better. That's
Okay.
the whole thing. Everybody's like, oh, we're evolving into something. No, we're not evolving into anything better. We're just filling niches. It's like we have an opportunity to extract energy from a situation. If you are capable of doing it, and you are more capable of doing it than anybody else, and then you get to reproduce more, you pass on that trait.
I see.
You're getting recorded right now.
Oh